Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of me doing this diamond art. So as you guys can see that I have completed not that much yesterday because I didn't realize how much time this would be taking. But today I hope that I can do more. So for today I am going to be using this up arrow diamond. So here is how it looks like. So it's blue, and I'm going to be filling this part over here. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so right now I am just finishing up this. So I have completed a lot today. So it's really sparkly. I really love this diamond art because it's just so amazing. It's so sparkly and it's everything I really love. So I'll see you guys for part 3. Goodbye!